Welcome to the latest edition of news at NWU, your window to what's making headlines at our Northwest University, where curiosity leads. On the 3rd and 4th of October, the university hosted its annual Student Leadership Summit at Stonehenge River Lodge in Barrett. Centered around the theme, Rooted in Resilience, Go Boldly Through Challenges, the summit brought together student leaders from across our campuses to engage, reflect, and grow as ethical, adaptable, and impact-driven leaders. The event opened with a keynote address by Professor Bismarck Jobeka, who emphasized the vital role of collaboration and engagement between university leadership and students in shaping the future of higher education. On the 3rd of October 2025, the NWU hosted a high-profile colloquium titled Academic Leadership as a Catalyst for Transformative Change in honor of Professor John Mahane, a founding academic and former Vice-Chancellor of the then University of Bophuthatswana, which is now part of the NWU. Prof Mahane's contributions to South African higher education were nothing short of transformative. A scholar, administrator, and visionary leader, he played a pivotal role in establishing the University of Bophuthatswana as a beacon of academic excellence during a period of profound political and educational change. Nutrition can be used as a tool to control inflammation and address conditions such as tuberculosis and iron deficiency. In her recent inaugural lecture, Prof Linda Malan drew on findings from years of research to highlight how omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and iron can influence immune function and offer new pathways for treating disease and improving public health. Prof Malan explained that by exploring the interactions from molecules to society, researchers aim to translate science into strategies that improve clinical outcomes and public health. On your marks, get set and go! On Wednesday night, the 1st of October, the university's Potchefstroom campus was turned into an athletic spectacle when about 1,900 participants took part in the NWU Barrett Bricks Night Race. Participants could choose between a 5-kilometer or 10-kilometer route, with both starting and finishing at the amphitheater. The race slogan said it all: Campus After Dark, Run the Spark. Thank you for joining us for this edition of News at NWU. Join us again next time as we look at how the NWU is shaping our country's future by exploring new ideas and possibilities. It all starts here.